In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled problem. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to solve the Snapchat temporarily disabled problem, what you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type snapchat.com/support and click on search. Now scroll down and click on this contact us option. Select the first option. Now scroll down one more time. Okay, now in order to fix the Snapchat temporarily disabled problem, you will be required to fill out this form. So first enter your Snapchat account username, then enter the email address and mobile number that was linked with your Snapchat account. And after that, in this final description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that your Snapchat account was temporarily disabled. Personally, I would suggest that you just copy paste the paragraph I have given in description below. Once you have done that, tap on the submit option. And after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, Snapchat temporarily disabled problem will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.